Stephanie Kiriakou.
Shit!
Fucking ass. Fucking asshole. Fucking asshole.
Again, once we get to strumming, we'll talk a little bit about that. Because nothing is absolutely perfect.
Dumb cunt.
They're going the wrong way round the roundabout. How did they actually do that?
What? What the fuck are you honking at?
Fucking idiot. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck.
Done.
Okay, shake on.
Green. No.
No, if you don't, obviously I get
Nah.
That's how bets work, Louisa.
I didn't shake on that
Yes,
one.
you did. That's how.
Shake your tail, Pepper.
You did. You did, buddy.
Well, I'm excited and I look good.
Let's go.
Lou and Judge. On now for the early morning and for the early drive home. Weekdays from 2 p.m.
Triple M.
Lou and Judge. Triple M breakfast with Lano, Marco and Dan.
Daughter came home with
Fucking asshole.
Asking if you guys want to come over for tea, there should be enough. We're going to have spaghetti bolognese.
Yep.
You can do that.
We'll just get our code and stuff and then we'll come down.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, is he going through? He's going through.
Oh my Jesus, he went through red.
What it says. You're right, we go left.
In 400 metres, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Smith Road.
Oh, this is tight. I think we'll be waiting here a few moments while he turns.
You can go to a little shopping center.
Oh, oh.
And he's not stopping. Look at this.
Yeah, I know.
He didn't stop.
No, he didn't.
No, you go left, don't go straight to it.
Ah, no. They're fucking blind. Fucking that's the entry. Fucking dickhead.
Can't do that.
Whoa, back.
Got him.
Seen them wearing Bathory shirts, so they're like, Now it's just become a comedy act. Bathory there, fine day to die, requested by DJ Muttley, who's been unleashed and he's been AWOL, so hopefully he'll be back in the studio in the next week.
Oh, you're a frickard.
With friends and family than at your local club. Whether you're in the mood for a wood-fired pizza, freshly grilled seafood, or handmade dumplings, clubs have an incredible range of delicious food on the menu with craft.
Yep. Let's go take a piss.
On the mantle at her house is a photo of the cat superimposed. Dressed up, cranky cat. This is what she has up in her house. No, that's up in her house.
That is not okay.
I thought for a minute that she wasn't going to do it. He's going, oh, come on.
I know. Who says that to someone? That's just not okay. Anyway.
Well, he had the scales.
Look at this dickhead. High beam. What the fuck are you doing, dickhead?
Oh yeah, good on you. Come on, go! Fucking hell. Dumb fuck!
Very kind to me, draw number one. What was it, 1941 was the last time a winner came from that box, I think. So maybe one to two now, so we'll see what happens. And Australian golfer Minty Lee has carded a second round 66 in the LPGA Tour event in South Korea. She's currently in a tie for 5th place with a number of players still to complete their second round. Australian Tanner Green, Stephanie Kiriakou, tied for 21st spot. Spawn. Laura plenty.
Helps you find your rhythm of retirement. That's super helpful.
Fucking hell.
Consider if Aware Super is right for you, and the PDS and TMD on our
Don't
website.
give way,
and
just
aware.com.
drive out. Fucking give way! Fucking got you on there, dickhead.
Jeez. Idiot. Yeah. The fuck's he doing? Dangerous driver. Oh, this is going with dash cam. Yeah. Wanker. Must be on drugs. Yeah. Maybe he gets no. This is driving. Driving. Better.
Oh my god! Boys, stay there. Are you